show you something that happened with my Thumlers tumbler here. Got this gasket that forms the watertight seal between the lid here and this portion. That's where your grit and rocks and water go. Anyways, you can see right in the middle, this area here, it's very, very thin compared to out here. Now the whole thing was the same thickness, but over time, for whatever reason, that's the area that rocks really start to wear away at, and I found out the hard way on the first one of these that I ended up replacing. It wore a hole through, and then this was leaking slurry all out everywhere and took a bit to clean up. So I just noticed this was very thin feeling the other day. So if you have a rock tumbler like this that requires something like this, get them from the replacement was Kingsley North. I know there's a few places out there, but I just got this in. I ordered 2 of them so that I have a backup. So looks like it's a little dusty here, and you can probably even see that this whole thing is like the same thickness. It should fit perfect. Okay, there we go. And that's very thin. All right, hopefully that helps. Just pay attention to that from time to time if you do a lot of tumbling. All right.